Today I've decided that I just want to have a little bit of a play really. I've got some masking fluid. I've put it in a bottle. It's a sort of squeegee bottle and it's got a fine nib on it. And I'm just making these circles on the page, going round and round, filling up the space as I go. I just want to experiment with this and see what happens. So doing a bit more scribbly kind of marks over each other. Starting to get a bit carried away here, just enjoying the moment. And yeah, I just kept going for it. Got some Meiliang watercolor paints here and a flat brush, 3/4, maybe an inch brush. And I'm just dabbing the paint on, not worrying where it goes. I've chosen some complementary colours and just spreading the paint over the top of the masking tape. Once the paint has dried, rubbing the masking tape off with your fingers, just pulling it off the page until it's all off. And then I've got a round brush and again using the Meiliang watercolours in the same colours that I've already used, just liberally spreading the paint, going up and down in an up and down motion, just to see what happens, just a bit of a play, see whether I like it, maybe I don't, but I'm really enjoying myself here. Introducing a second colour, again it's a colour that I've used for the base and laying it over the top, spreading it around, ensuring that there is still some of the pattern left below. And then I'm adding some metallic paints now. This is a copper paint, which I think complements the colours very well. I think it just offers a bit of lush colour to the painting. Once the painting's dried, I've got a black fine liner. It's a 0.8 Unipin pen, and I'm looking at the patterns that have been left by the masking tape underneath and just following the lines. And I'm imagining that those lines go on top of where I've painted on top of the masking fluid lines. So just continuing with those round. You have to use a bit of imagination to continue those lines. Sometimes you can see them underneath the paint, sometimes you can't. So just imagine where they would be if they continued and just fill your page full of pen. It's good to experiment if you feel a bit stuck in your art, you're not sure what to do and you just want to free yourself up a little bit without worrying really what the outcome's going to be. Just want to have a bit of fun, play around, see what happens and take it from there. Adding some lines to the piece just to add a bit of contrast to the circular kind of shapes. So just finding areas where to put that. And I've got some acrylic ink, which I'm just dabbing onto the page just because I love acrylic ink and I just want to have a go with it. So this is sort of like a pearlescent white colour that I'm using here. And just filling up again, I've gone a little bit over the top there, but it doesn't really matter because I'm experimenting and using again acrylic ink, but this is in a copper colour. Again, just putting it where I feel and letting that dry. Once it's dried, I've got a black fine liner pen, 0.8 Unipin, and I'm just circling those acrylic ink marks. Now the acrylic ink is slightly raised, so it's very easy to put your pen with a bit of pressure around them and it just sort of goes round and finishes them up nicely. Sort of gives like a little bit of shading to your acrylic ink, so the acrylic ink sort of pops out from the page. Hope you like this. If you like, please like and subscribe. And it's really been great spending some time with you. If you've got some time, maybe leave a comment. I really enjoy listening to your feedback. Okay, well, thanks ever such a lot for watching and I hope to see you soon. Bye.